Good morning, everyone. Today, we celebrate Constitution Day, a day of great significance in our nation's history. On November 26, 1949, our Constitution was adopted by the Constituent Assembly, and it came into force on January 26, 1950. This document, crafted under the leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and a team of dedicated visionaries, is the backbone of our democracy and the framework that shapes our nation. Our Constitution is the longest written constitution in the world, reflecting the diversity and values of India. It guarantees fundamental rights, like the freedom of speech, equality, and the right to education, empowering every citizen to live with dignity. It also outlines our responsibilities as citizens through fundamental duties, reminding us of the importance of unity, respect, and environmental stewardship. The preamble to our Constitution declares India to be a sovereign, socialist, secular, and democratic republic built on the principles of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. These ideals are more than just words. They are a promise to all Indians for a fair and inclusive society. On this day, let us recognize our role in upholding these values. Our democracy thrives when each of us actively participates, respects each other's rights, and fulfills our duties. As students, we can contribute by studying hard, being responsible citizens, and caring for our community. Thank you.